This next exercise is for a rope to rope transfer. You have two different rope drops here. We're going to ascend one rope and transfer it over to the other. First thing you want to do is make sure you take the ropes with you that you're going to transfer to. Just take an extra carabiner and put it on your side. Now, you're going to go up a regular set of ropes. The only difference is you're going to go up in your descending device. That way, your first step is to crawl towards your destination and descend away. So, we're going to go ahead and set that up. Safety line first. Then your descender on your working line. Pull the slack. And then your hand ascender and your foot loop to help you climb. Make sure that's high as practical. Lock it off, move your back up. Never really want to pass up your backup device, past eye level. Now, once you've reached your desired height, you want to make sure that all your stuff is nice and neat. The next thing you want to do is transfer over to these rope drops. So the first thing you want to do is put your secondary backup device on. Go ahead and find which rope you want to be your safety and connect your backup device, pointing towards the destination you're trying to reach. Pull all the slack out of it. Your next step is to make another working line pointing this direction. You're going to use your crawl because you always want to crawl towards your destination and descend away. So make sure you're not taking these other lines with you. Hook up your hand ascender first and then follow the rope down and put it straight into your crawl. Now there's two different ways to do this. You can either pull yourself over sideways like so, or you can do it with the assistance of a foot loop. Just turn your back towards it, slide it up and pull. Very simple. If you're using good technique, you shouldn't have to struggle at all doing this. The thing you need to watch out for is your backup safety devices getting too low on you. If you pull them towards you, they should be at eye level. So make sure you're constantly making sure that these are where they need to be. So go ahead and keep stepping in your crawl. Once it gets a little tight, you want to go ahead and start descending away. So we're going to leave this section alone and we're going to go ahead and start descending down, paying attention to your backup device. Once it gets tight, go ahead and lock it off and just pull it down to about eye level and continue to go. Eventually, you will be statically loaded vertically underneath your second set of rope drops. Once you do that, you can make sure this device gets all the way till it's loose. There's no more tension on these ropes. You can go ahead and remove it because your 2 points of contact is here. That rope drops free and the next rope will be your safety line because it's the first thing on, the last thing off. So go ahead, remove that. Now you successfully transferred over. Now you're in your regular ascending gear, your hand ascender, crawl, backup device. The only thing you need to do now is transfer into your descent to reach the ground. So go ahead and open up your locking plate, find the line underneath your crawl, and go ahead and put it on your device. Pull the slack to you, lock it off. Once you do that, you're just going to step into your foot loop and pop out of your cross. Make sure everything's low enough for when you step over. Sit back down, remove your hand ascender, make sure it's not tangled. Go ahead and put it to your side. And you can go ahead and descend your ropes.